You're welcome to my channel where I talk about everything earning income on the online space. Here I discuss about stocks, about shares, about investment, about derivatives, about different ways, different areas you can earn income, especially on the online space. Everyone is welcome here. If you're watching me for the first time, subscribe to my channel, put your opinion in the comment section, like and share my videos. Also remember to press the notification bell for the latest uploads here. Here I bring from time to time different earning tips, especially on the online space where you can earn income for yourself to have additional side hustle that will enhance your financial freedom, stability and independence. You are all welcome here. Yes. Do you know that salary is like a bait? Yes, a bait that is like a bait that your employer is using to hold you down. Yes, that's what salary is all about. And for you to come out of that bait, you know what they use to enhance that bait is by giving you additional. They will give you small stipend at the end of the day just to hold you down. They say they are giving you promotion, they are giving you this or that, just to make you stay glued to that work, and you are spending your time to get notes. What do you do of that kind of situation, which is like a rat race? You need to get a skill that will enhance you to financial freedom. Get a skill, get a knowledge, read books. For instance, when you know how to drive, you learn the skill of driving once, and for a lifetime you keep enjoying the dividend on the skill you have acquired. Yes, that's the skill of driving. The same thing with other online platforms. For example, forex trading, learning the means of exchanging currencies on the online space, on the digital space, forex. When you learn the skill of forex and you know when to buy, when to sell, when to put stop loss, when to enter a trade, when to stop a trade, and all that come out of a trade, you make profits. And once you get that skill for a lifetime, you keep acquiring income resources for yourself, even in the forex market. So a lot of ways that you can use to enhance your financial stability. So learning a skill is one of it, and there are a lot of skills you can learn on the online space. CPA, marketing, is another skill, that is selling other people's products for an income. And there is still this one particular one that you need to really learn that will help you really well on your financial freedom journey, and that is expert near. That's also selling other people's products. When you sell somebody's product, you get a commission, and imagine you selling like 10 of that in a day or 20 of that in a day, and in a week selling as much as you can, and on each sales you make you earn income. And that is far better than salary, because your commission will keep coming in and you keep cashing out and you keep smiling to the bank. Please learn your skill. And how do you learn your skill if you don't study, if you don't read? So on the online space, there are a lot of skills you can learn. Some you learn it at a fee, some are free, but the ones that you learn at a fee, at a small amount of token, will you will be taught in such a way and manner that you will understand the process, the step-by-step process on how to acquire that skill. Please learn your skill, and that's what I do on my channel. I bring to you different ways you can earn income. If you enjoy what I've just said now, information I've just passed across now, please subscribe, and also remember to share my videos. Watch me on Facebook Reels, on TikTok, on Instagram and LinkedIn, and put your comments in the opinion in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell for the latest uploads here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Remember, stocks are one of the ways you can also earn income. On the US stock market, there are a lot of shares you can buy that will enhance your financial freedom. You can get Coca-Cola shares, you can get Pepsi shares, and See you in the next video for the latest uploads on how you can earn income. Thank you for watching and bye for now. See you in the next video.